So life as a parent can be very unpredictable. Parents want something that kind of fits into their lifestyle.
Yeah, in the last 12 years, I think we've gotten a lot of feedback from consumers and parents. You know, they want something simpler. They want something easier to use, something that fits great. We've always delivered on that. You know, ergonomic, comfortable, breathable.
We wanted to make a carrier that was super lightweight without any of the bulk. The way that we were able to do that was because we were knitting. Those yarns go through this knitting machine and it comes out with the panel that you're trying to make.
Where it's not just knitting off of a machine or knitting a sweater, it's actually knitting shape into something. And that's really important as well. So there was a huge learning curve around it. And of course that was the intrigue. How can we make something with shape without seaming it?
We made this like really safe, ergonomic, awesome baby carrier, but using the same knitting that people have used for other things. But now we've been the first ones to put it into this space. So we wanted to test this carrier with parents, obviously, because this had never been done before. So we wanted to make sure that this was something that parents were interested in and could get behind.
The fit of this carrier is so perfect. It just like forms to my body.
She seems pretty comfortable in it and happy.
This one really has less steps involved in getting it set up, which is lovely.
Very like a modern look, which allows you to be like, you know, like kind of fashionable and stuff. So I really love it.
So with Aerloom, we set out to make a product that was easy to use, that looked great, that had great airflow, that fit really well, and was lightweight. So I think we're pretty proud of where we got.